Hello and welcome to Coffee with the Librarians, week of September 4th. This message has been coming in loud and clear all day, and it's around power. Lots of different things about power, about how power is misconstrued, about the idea of power over versus power through, and the use of power. And what they want to say is yes, there has been a lot that's already been said about the difference between power over. Sometimes we believe, we have been conditioned to believe, not that sometimes we believe, we have been conditioned to believe that power over people is what power is over about. Power over dominion and control, power over others, power over the earth, power over ourselves, power over everything. The reason that we have been conditioned to believe that that is how to use power is because when we use power in that way, it actually diminishes our power. When we use power in that way, it diminishes our power. When we let power flow through us, which is the natural state of power, because all of power is life force energy. All plants have power, all animals have power, all humans have power. We have that power and it flows through us, and we don't have to use that power. We don't have to will ourselves to be alive and will ourselves to grow. It's the power that flows naturally through us, for us. And it's like auto-directed power. And that's where the real strength of our power is. That's where the strength of spirit, connection, peace, everything is. And the reason that it's been misconstrued is because when we are encouraged to become more powerful, it actually diminishes our power. And that's like that little catch-22. Not that this is about like evil conspiracy theories. We are not talking like dark web and secret government. What we are talking about is like forces of light and forces of dark, forces of positive, forces of negative. And when we are encouraged to have power over and to be powerful, it takes our power away, which strengthens the negativity. So that's what that pull is about. For us to truly be in the light, for us to truly have the ability to connect with spirit, to fulfill ourselves, to make the world a better place, to do all of the things that we want to do. What we need to do is to allow that power to flow through us, that auto-directed power, which is not about forcing ourselves into anything or forcing other people to do anything. It's being quiet. It's allowing the wisdom of our bodies, the wisdom of our minds to flow through. And they're laughing. And the reason the librarians are laughing is not because it's like funny, but it's that flow of that giggly laughter, that bubbling up, that uncontrollable laughter. That is power. That is true power. And we are in our strongest power when we allow the flow. Whether you call it inspired action, whether you call it listening to spirit or the still small voice inside or the gentle nudges, whatever it is, it's about flowing and letting that happen, because that's how we are in power. And they're also laughing because we don't have to like reconnect to our power. Our power is here. Our power can't leave us. We are power. But it's that mental construct, that mental mindset. It's not that we're reconnecting to our power. Our power never left us. It's that we're actually releasing. We're letting go of false construct. We're letting go of other things in order to be who we are. And who we are is power. I just really love this. It's been coming in all day and I was so excited to share it. So let me know if you want to connect, if you want to have a private reading, private conversation with the librarians. I'm happy to do that. And otherwise, I will see you sometime next week. Have a good one. Bye.